had gone out with him for almost 3 years. He still feels the need for another woman because she's younger than me. Do you know how it feels like to be the mistress of a married man?
You tell me.
It means you get the hot afternoons and the lonely nights. It means you see him for only an hour during his birthday. It means he leaves your presents and your gifts at your house. It means during Christmas and New Year's Eve, you get only a card. In other words, it means that you are nothing but a spare tire, used only in emergencies, and then packed back when the problem is solved. After all this, he has the audacity to go for another girl. Look, I see him. God, I'm going to kill him. And I'll pull the ribbon of that stupid girl.
Sorry.
No, I blame that girl following him because of his money. Prostitute!
But what's true that she went for the man and not the other way around? You said she's a secretary, right? Huh? Did you say that? And therefore he's in a position to increase her pay and make her life more comfortable. Therefore, if he promises to provide her everything, and she has a man who doesn't go what her boss has, she'll leave him. After all, what the women want today is a sugar daddy to take care of all their financial problems. She may even have a boyfriend in the university, and she's using the money to cater for him. I know what I'm talking about because it's happening to me. I'll kill the guy when I see him.
No, you've got it all wrong.
Look, half time. I know what I'm saying. Alright? This I'm afraid. Right? I am going to see organizer for my tie, and I'll come back now. In fact, what I'm saying, you cannot deny it. It's everywhere.
Look, your case is different from mine, okay? What are you doing here?
Look, Amma, why did you marry me? Was it because of my money?
If I married you because of money, I would have been gone long ago. What money do you have?
So it wasn't because of money.
And you too, why did you marry me? Was it because I was young and fresh and had a curvaceous figure? Or it was for my cooking?
I don't know.
You are lying. You think I don't see you looking at my hips always and licking your lips? Jaisa, look at him. Where is your car?
I parked it somewhere outside.
Oh, with passengers inside? Hurry up and take them to wherever they are going. Get back to work. You know we need money to buy a new fridge, and you think I've forgotten it?
I think what that guy in my car said is very true. All that my wife cares about is how much money I make for her.
Not how much money you make for me, but for us. I'm also doing my share here. Get back to work. Titi!
Where's my change?
No change for you. Have you forgotten you owe me for the PK you bought yesterday? Or you think I've forgotten it? Titi, don't forget to come home very early tonight. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah?
You think you're feeling the pain that I'm feeling? You think you are?
You think you are the only person in pain, as you call it? What do you think?
You really don't know.
What do you think I feel? How do you think I feel? Sitting here, I'm very sorry. That stupid vulcanizer still hasn't finished doing the thing. Anyway, let's go on. When I see the guy, I'll kill him. Listen to me. I find it humiliating that my woman will go and sleep with another man, collect the thing, and come and Jesus. Talking about it. You know something? Anything you want, just ask me. Anything you need, you tell me. I'm here for you anyhow, anyway, and anytime.
There is this shoe I saw at the zoo, but it is too expensive.
My own house, so Jackie. Who come up when you are being trying, what am I saying? The what I say. How much is it?
250,000.
This is crazy.
I told you, it's too expensive.
And the room. Okay? Let's talk about one more. Huh? What's that to buy a sale? Matataria show. Huh? Okay, my wife is so unreasonable that I've even asked for a divorce. I'm looking for a woman who understands and will be willing to marry me. We'll try. Savannah, there you are.
I said I'll pay my own fare.
Lady, the man say he could pay for you. Why you want to waste money like that? Oh, you ain't telling the guy you.
Look, anytime a man does something for a woman, he feels he owns her.
But.
And I'm making sure that doesn't happen again. Get your money.
Look, if you tell him, your money.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, thank you.
Driver, please put me down at the mainland hotel, right?
Oh, okay.
It's just off this main road.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. You're such a nice person to be with. And you smile divinely, like a butterfly. You're great. You're great. To me, kiss about one. Yeah! Hey! What's up, bro? I'm walking here, man.